In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grok 3 AI on your PC in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to dive into the world of advanced AI tools and make your technology work even smarter for you, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this straightforward and efficient process. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser. Choose the one you're most comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other. This is your gateway to accessing the sites you need to visit. So open it up and get ready to navigate the vast digital space. Once your web browser is open, the next step is to navigate to the official website at grok.com. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in the URL grok.com. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid landing on any unauthorized or unintended sites. The official site is crucial because it's secure and safe for downloading software. Upon reaching the Grok website, it's time to log into your account. Look for a login button or user icon, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Ensure you have your information handy, as you'll need it to gain access to the tools and resources Grok offers. If you've forgotten your information, most sites offer a handy Forgot Password option to help you recover your account easily. Now that you're logged into your account, you can engage with Grok 3 AI. Here, you can type your prompt. This is where things get interesting. By entering your query or task into the input box, Grok 3 AI can begin processing your requests. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification or follow up with additional questions if needed. The AI is designed to handle multiple queries, ensuring you get the comprehensive assistance or information you're seeking. It's this interaction that allows you to experience the full extent of Grok 3 AI's capabilities, making it a powerful tool in your digital arsenal. By following these clear and easy steps, you've now successfully accessed Grok 3 AI on your PC. Remember to log out of your account once you're done to ensure your security. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy exploring everything Grok 3 AI has to offer. Stay curious and keep experimenting, because there's always more to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.